Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to create a custom order form in your WordPress website. So, if you have started your online business with WordPress and you wanted to add a custom order form option in your website so that your customer can order manually or can order with their own customization way, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. Here you can see that I have designed a suite shop e-commerce website, and in this website we wanted to add a custom order option so that customer can order on their desired size, color, design or flavor. Okay, so this is basically a sweet shop where customer can purchase mini dessert, custom cake, customizable dessert like so, and you can see the product in here. Okay, so you can see that I have added a option in the header order. In this website you can see that there is a button named order, and if I click on the order, then it will go to the order page from where customer can order based on their requirement. Okay, to do this I already create a custom order from preset in the Gemini, the AI tools of Google, and here is the custom from preset that we can use on our custom from. Okay, so now I'm going to the dashboard, then click on the WP form from where we are actually going to create our form, then going to click on the add new. In this button we are going to write a form name custom order form, then select blank form. Okay, we have selected the blank form. Now we need name, phone number and email address, so going to add standard field name, then phone number, going to add phone number in here, add phone number, select this one, number, that will be phone number. Okay, then email address, add email address, here is the email address. Okay, perfect. Then order details, add order details name in here. Here we are going to add date in here. In the free form the date is not available, so we are going to add single line text and add text in here. Order details, then we are going to add description in this order details. Okay, then cake selection, so next we are going to add cake selection will be cake size, cake flavor, so we are going to add drop down menu. We want to add cake size in here, cake size, then like single. Okay, okay, then add cake flavor, drop down menu like previous, add cake flavor in here, just add flavor 1, flavor 2. I hope you understand. You have to add different flavor in here. Then we'll add custom text option, single line text, and in here we are going to write, okay, then write if yes, please write details. Okay, we can add paragraph text in here instead of this one. Okay, looks good. And then finally, now it's okay, click on the save, and then we are going to make all field size large, so that our design will be perfectly fit for any device. Okay, classic, modern, size large. It looks classic, large, and okay, field size large. Okay, looks good. And then finally click on the save. We have done, and now you can set up others relevant information in here as your requirement. So now we are going to add this form in our custom order. So click on the edit with Elementor, and then add new field, add form, WP from, select custom order. Looks good. Then we can add padding in here also. For example, if you want to, let me show you the result, then we are going to work more on this page. It looks good, but we wanted to make it more professional. So how we can make it more professional, let me show you. Just going to add background color, F9, 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 then add padding. Okay, now going to work on the form, background color. Okay, then border. For that we have to add padding in here. Okay, border radius, we are going to add border radius 5 pixel, and now going to work on the border section. Okay, and make it okay, perfect, looks good. Then click on the save. Now if we reload, then you can see the magic. Wow, you see it, very nice and professional. So I hope you understand how to create a custom order form in WordPress with WP Form Builder. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant WordPress or e-commerce website design development, even SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.